There's the 80s, so we'll take one off. Red to green, just like that. Ooh, big push, big push. I'm down to take my 8 Gs on the day. What a cliff at open. Fuck me. Classic London high sweep into the fucking dump off the cliff. We didn't sweep up London lows yet. That could be our next stop. We're still just so bullish on market sentiment. We will go for the London lows first. Ooh, big push, big push. Oh, almost got the sweep. Did we go for it? Was that close enough? 250? That looks like a pretty decent target, low key. Looks like we are going for that 250. It's a big level. Yeah. Yeah, all signs are pointing at 250. Wonder if we can get a nasty little entry here. They just sweep that low, but let's see. I think 250 is super likely. Doing a super tight stop, so probably gonna get stopped out quite a bit, but it'll be a tiny one. Last that 250. Kind of lingering. We're gonna move down our stop. We go all the way. Push it! Yeah, we got it, boys! OID! Nice. Red to green, just like that. Shit, the problem with not copy trading all the accounts is now we gotta go find trades for the rest of them. Okay, here's a big level, and it just rips right through it. Holy fuck me, sideways. What a fucking cliff. If there was a time to knife catch, this would be it. But fuck me, it just keeps on pushing. I am really close to knife catching this, though. Let's go for it. This is a huge, huge level. Let's see if we get a nasty bounce real quick. Huge, huge pivot point. Oh my god, minus 1600 already? This shit is just going right off the cliff. We got one more ad for the bounce. The big, big bounce. Tapping into a massive fucking reversal zone. So I'm really tempted to keep holding this, but fuck me, is this a giant cliff. I want this to bounce back up to fucking like the 80, 90 area. Our entry's looking a little bit dog shit at this point. I would be kind of shocked if we continued to go lower. This is trading, so anything can fucking happen. It does look pretty good for the bounce, though, huh? 200's TP for you. Down to hold the runner. I wouldn't be surprised if we completely V-shaped recovery this, but sell pressure is still just massive. Still want a tap into the 80s to at least take one off. Okay, there's a sweep of the lows. If it keeps on pushing, we got a bail. Can she hold? Last time we clipped from all-time highs was what? 500 points in a day. I wonder if we'll get something similar today, or if this is the V-shaped recovery we're looking for. I'll add one more at the hundreds. And if that fucking doesn't, if it doesn't hold, we just get the fuck out. Looks like sellers cannot push it any lower. This when we start the slow grind up. How high can she go, baby? V-shape recovery, V-shape recovery, V-shape recovery. I'm so glad I didn't sweep that hundreds. Take some off at the 200s, possibly. Unless this does start looking like a full-blown V-shape recovery, which it kind of is. We're testing the high of that previous candle right now. Let's see if we can push past it. Okay, we just tapped into the reversal zone officially. Then just bounce off the bottom of it. So V-shape recovery-wise, we're looking pretty decent. How high can she go? There's the 80s, so we'll take one off. Let's see if we can continue the push. Major target would be 240s. That's a hell of a way up. Big liquidity above us, but once we wipe that out, we're looking pretty fucking free and clear, boys. V-shape recovery, V-shape recovery, V-shape recovery. The only thing better than catching a cliff is catching a fucking rapid V-shape recovery. Looking for 240s. Take off two, hold one runner, see if it'll cook. I wouldn't be surprised. Fucking stop out everybody's longs that were swinging for fucking days and then fucking blast back up to new all-time highs. I mean, it would be kind of shocking, but at the same time, from a market's maximum fuck you standpoint, it makes a lot of sense. I missed the morning dump. I fucking did not think it was gonna dump this hard, dude. I was just sitting there watching it. We caught a little bit of it on the prop firms, but just like a tiny piece of it. Did not think it was gonna be this fucking wild. This is a hell of a dump. which should mean it should be a hell of a recovery since we're in an all-time high market, but who fucking knows. But I do think this is a fucking beautiful setup to fucking take out all the long swingers just to rip it right back up to all-time high. On the daily, it does not look like we're done pumping. Looks like we need to go much higher. Okay, here's the 200s. Could indeed take one more off here. If this holds, I might just add this back in. We'll just scalp another 20 points. We did just bounce off a big pivot point. We have another one at 205. Would be good for a scalpy poo. Got cooked on Tradeify accounts when short on market open. Lost 1,500 profit. Wanted more. Got big D. Yeah. I'm down to take my 8 Gs on the day. Yesterday too, after that morning pump. And I was sitting green for a while. And it kept on holding. I was like, oh, should I take the profit? I was like, nah. And then it fucking just giant rocket dildoed me, and yeah, I got fucked, and then I got tilted. Okay, we're gonna add that one back in, and we're gonna TP it at like 210. See if it wants to get that 225 lick. Oh, which actually just moved down to 200s. We're actually gonna move this down to 200s. Just for a little scalp, a little 15 pointer, possibly. Very tempted to add back in here again. One more. I think we will. Let's go for it. It's holding. I might actually add the 5th. Looks pretty decent for it. The need the fucking big old lick sweep though. We'll add the 5th. We're just gonna scalp that with that 5th one. I believe in you, NQ. You're bullish AF. You want to stay bullish. If we get back above 200s, the recovery should be swift. Right now we're in that zone where it's like, oh, let's fuck with everyone. Get above here. Rocket ship. What are we thinking, boys? It's gonna be a cliff. Or is this the fake out before the fucking full-blown recovery? Okay, let's see if we can retest, if we can break through this 200s. If we can't, then we're fucking bailing, and we're potentially looking for shorts. It looks like we're trying to get that push. TP1 is coming up for the ones that we added. 5 more points. Can we get that push? Boom, TP1 schmacked. Let's go. Yeah, let's see this break at 200s. It fucking has to break. Oh, and it's a clean one. Ate up all that lick. Yeah, let's see if we can push. Keep on pushing. We're gonna keep on fucking riding this bitch out. Still looks like we could be going off the cliff potentially. Nice. Now sweep up that lick above the 200s. And let's get our fucking full-blown push. Really struggling here. That's 612 lots stacked above us. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm close to bailing just because of that fucking number. 613 lots that just get fucking annihilated? What? Jesus. You guys see that, right? Those 613 lots we just fucking ran right through. What the fuck? We've already got a banger here. We're gonna trail our stop. Trade was looking fucking sketchy when we were fucking knife catching over here. Our stop loss would have been like right over here. Got pretty close. I'm glad we fucking diamond handed the fuck out of this. I'm tempted to take some off, but fuck me. I mean, this shit's just fucking steamrolling. We have 754 lots stacked above us now, though. For the past couple weeks, we've just seen bear trap after bear trap, so I'm assuming that's what this was right here. Just another bear trap that usually gets us, but we're on the fucking right side of it this time, LMG. Okay, we'll take one off there. It actually, I mean, 222 is a huge level. We might just be dicking around the rest of the day. I'm pretty happy with my 5G day. I think it's worth the risk. At stop loss 192. We'll risk what? 13 more points to see if we can fucking rocket shit. Because we added to our winners, I mean, we have a fuckload of profit already locked in, so that's beautiful. Where are you now? I'm in Vietnam. My boy. Ho Chi Minh City. 763 lots stacked at 225. Jeez Louise. Can they rip through it? If they could rip through it, holy fuck, I think we go on a moon run. Yeah, I'm going back to minis. I've tried micros for so long, and what do we get? $1,000 payout, like $1,200 payouts. Yeah, great. I kept my accounts for a long time. You know, that's all great and all, but I mean, I just over trade with micros, and I have to go for such big moves. And when I'm wrong, it takes forever to be wrong. And when I'm right, the profits are just so minimal that I fucking wipe them out on a red day times 3. Like, yeah. I tried micros. I really tried to stick with it. I mean, we said what we were gonna do it for 3 months. I think we did it for like 5 months, 4 months, and we got one payout for $1,200. And sure, our spend was way less, but I'm here to fucking make, you know, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, not to fucking keep my cost low or whatever. And I'm still gonna do it. Like I'm still gonna play defensive and shit like that. But yeah, we're going with minis. It looks like this is going for a 200 sweep. Wonder if it's gonna stop us out. I just want to take the profit and fucking chill. We could re-enter. Let's see if this trend line holds first. See if 200s holds. I might even add one more back, but it kind of looks topped out, so I probably won't add. Well, it does look pretty fucking good for a little mini scalp right here for like 20 points. Yeah, we could try it. Just a little scalp. Just a little one. The best trades are the ones I put on and walk away. Yeah, for real. I remember that day I went on Top Step TV. I was in like a 15 lot knife catch similar to this, and it was in London or some shit that I entered. I just went to fucking sleep, woke up, went on Top Step TV, saw my trade up like $50,000 or $40,000. I was like, oh shit. It's the best when you don't have to watch this shit. Sometimes when you watch, you just move up your stop too much or some bullshit happens and you get fucking faked out. Classic market psychology fucking tricks. I remember that because that's when I started to follow you. Yeah. I didn't even set a TP. I was just gonna let it run forever, but it started looking super sketchy, so I closed it eventually. But I closed it at a great time, actually. Back when I was trading props that didn't have consistency rules, I would let those fucking trades run forever. Same when I was trading options. And those were my biggest, I mean, that's how I made most of my money. Just from like a handful of days where those fucking trades would hit. I would rarely take base hit days. If I took more base hit days, probably would have made a lot more money. But those banger days fucking made my month, made my year. Yeah, we're holding. The stair stepper is forming. I mean, we're really testing this trend right here. So we could go off the cliff, but let's see if we can keep the push going, keep the pump. I remember they asked you where the TP is and you said something like 200 points on the upside. Yeah. I remember scrolling up for fucking an hour. It's somewhere up here. We're like, Kyle, that's on the moon. Those were the good old days. I'm gonna buy some. I actually tried logging into Top Step, and I'm blocked in Vietnam. I'm just not allowed to trade Top Step in Vietnam. But I'm gonna send Top Step again. Probably just go with the 100Ks. Oh, and we got the pump and our TP just schmack. Our little scalper TP. Look at that. Can we keep on blasting? We're up 6,000. This is better than my day yesterday. I was happy about yesterday. We technically made back funded account costs and then some the past 2 days. It doesn't fix the fucking emotional damage. Could see a nasty run up, but 240s is gonna be a big level, big resistance right here. Okay, we're at the 50% retracement. That's why we're getting so much resistance here, but it doesn't look like we fucking give a shiznit. Can we fly? Can we fly? Can we have a $10,000 trade today? You hear what Top Step CEO said earlier about letting people trade 100 contracts on live? I did see that, actually. I did. Yeah, Patak's a gangster. I like him. I can't see him ever trading that much size, but he did say that his biggest size trade was what, 300 lots on the Dow. We're looking for a breakout above this 50% retracement. It's starting to look like we might be continuing the downtrend. We could be entering a new chop zone. My three mains right now, since I'm not doing instant funding anymore, instant funding just dug me into a fucking hole. Like I've blown a lot of fucking accounts in my days, but these instant funding accounts are just so fucking expensive. I didn't realize how fast they fucking stack up. Yeah, they're so expensive, and the payout caps are pretty minimal. So, but my top prop firms right now are the two daily withdrawal prop firms, which are TPT and Trade Day, possibly Phidias. It looks like they're doing daily withdrawals right now as well, and then Apex, of course. Those are my top four at the moment. Yeah, and just the 20% consistency doesn't go with my style, right? I usually have like one or 2 days in a month where I just fucking hit a banger trade, right? Like 1 or 2 days out of the month will make, my entire month, while the rest of the days are just like little tiny wins or fucking losses, whatever. We're consolidation for the next leg up. I'm thinking our trade might be done here, boys. We're gonna put our stop somewhere we're probably gonna get stopped out. Take our green day. 10 seconds on the 15. Good chances of stop loss hunts to the next leg up. We might take one more trade. We get stopped out here first. Oh, our stop loss at 2303. Yeah, we're stopped here. We want to trade. Oh yeah, we got to get a day on TPT. Yeah, it looks like the bear flag on the 15-minute might cook. No, 10K is the only place to stop. We were going for it, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Try one more DCA play here. See if we could fucking fall back in the range. We'll fall back in the range now. Or are we going for a fucking full-blown fucking barn burner bull run? Nice clip to the double bottom would cook so hard. That's a decent setup for it too. Nice big rejection after that high sweep. Will we get to push? I still think we end up somewhere around here. Maybe not all the way down here, but that 100 sweep does look pretty fucking enticing. Tyler, you stop it, dude. Coming on here to flirt with me. Got my girlfriend's here, dude. She's probably reading the chat too, dude. Ooh, Ash. Ash and Tyler fighting over me. God damn, I'm feeling special, boys. Got the head and shoulders forming right now. Still in a little bit of an uptrend. ES already sending it off the cliff, but NQ's just so fucking strong. Let's see if she'll follow though. We got a cliff ski banger. That'd be fucking beautiful. No lick sitting below us. It's really just at the price. People are bidding the buying the bid is the big problem we have here. Let's see if the passive buyers or aggressive buyers run out of juice because there's really no lick sitting below us. Honestly, I was gonna hold for the whole run up, but it looked super weak over here after this sweep, so I moved my stop up, and then this one got me. That wick. But we have this cliff, so why not get a second leg down, dude? If it was gonna V-shape recovery, it would have fucking done it pretty quick. We're obviously not that bullish. Don't know if we're that bearish either. I mean, we're gonna find out, but a little trickle down to the 80s, maybe even a double bottom. Doesn't sound like it's out of the question. The new 15-minute though. Holy shit, just hit 200K in prop firm payouts with funding ticks today. Oh my god, I love you, Phoenix, dude. I'm so happy for you. That's so fucking sweet, dude. Went from fucking, dude, I can't get any payouts to fucking hitting a $200,000 in prop firm payouts, dude. Fucking baller, dude. Boy, Phoenix is balling. So fucking epic. So fucking epic. Let's see if we can get the cliff. I just want my $10,000 day and I'll be happy. Waiting for the YM to moon, pissing me off. Okay, so you're bullish. Does that mean everyone's bullish? And the market makers will fucking send it off a cliff just to cook everyone? We're testing the trend super hard right now. It's either blast off or fucking double bottom incoming. I'm really just looking for the 80s. I'm not looking for anything crazy. I would like the double bottom. I might hold for it. But really just the 80s are my short-term targets. I don't love it though. We were just supposed to go for a little scalp play. It's turning into a long-term hold, which I really don't like. Our stop loss is just a break above this, so we'll see. Our RR on this trade is fucking huge. Getting to the bottom of the range here. Top of the hour in 3 minutes. Still looking good for that 180 push. Big old stop loss hunt. Got 15 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and take one off just in case this is a manipulation before the hourly move. Kind of lighten the load a little bit for us just in case. Goes against us fucking heavy here. Here's top of the hour. Nothing crazy. Still trying to decide which way he wants to go. Will it choose the cliff? 15-minute on ES closed super bearish. We got that going for us. Same with NQ actually. This could indeed be the cliff. Classic YM breaking up. NQ trying to break down. That 200's holding. Breaking it. It's holding. I'm gonna take one more off just in case. Eating salad rolls. Nah, I'm eating yogurt, baby.
You trying to throw my fossil here to remember?
Oh yeah.
So cute.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Those salad rolls were fucking good too. Can we get the full push? Maybe I do need to take this on TBT too, huh? We'll go for it. We'll go for it. Little bottom blast. Use prop. Oh, Oh, and use prop firms to boost our personal accounts profits. You know, they're gonna see my sim orders live, and they'll be like, oh my god, he's shorting. We should all be shorting, and I might just get fucked here. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, struggling to get that push. Can we send her off the cliff? Can I add one more here on a personal? Let's see if this was just a big old lick bounce, and we are continuing to the double bottom. A lot of licks stacking above us. Are so bullish. Got our stop loss hunt at the bottom. Easily could turn into a bull run. Testing the possible downtrend here, boys. Will it hold is the big $10,000 question, because that's what we want on our personal account. We want that cliff. We need $10,000 today. Make 10 bands, baby. How's the personal account looking? We're looking pretty decent there. Almost want to scalp that one that we added, but this fucking does go off the deep end, then I want to be in there with the full stack, baby. Really tempted to take our $1,000 right here, but if this thing fucking cliffs, Jesus, we can make 10,000. I think it's worth risking it for the biscuit here. Shit is looking bearish. It's 200 level, just gotta give out here. Already had a massive lick bounce. Break down below here again, and we fucking pew. I'm gonna take off that one that we just added in case this doesn't actually break down. It's a nice little extra scalp right there, like 10 points, $200. They see me send 15 more lots on the order book, they might be like, oh my god, this guy's a pro, he knows what's gonna happen, let's sell with him. We cause a cascade of sells to come in, and we just pew, off the cliff. Just kidding. Maybe if I did like a 10,000 lot, then I just clip it by myself. Might just blow out our TBT accounts though. Trading 2 minis with $1,500 a drawdown. Just kind of crazy. Like stacked above us. It's just gonna blast right on through though. Very, very possible. Could this just be the stop loss hunt? Let's try it. It might just be one more fake out before the cliff, and now we're back in 4 lots toward the actual cliff. Our TBT accounts might be cooked. Like stacking heavy above us here. Let's see if this is the beginning of the cliff. Got the stop loss hunt out of the way for shorts. Tapped into this little FVG right here. Bounce out of it. Off the cliff. What we're looking for. But yeah, this is just a range, so gonna need a little bit of luck on our side here. Sell off, cliff it, cliff it, cliff it, cliff it, cliff it, cliff it. Stop loss hunt into the mega cliff. Right now, let's see it. We got our ad at the perfect spot too. Can we get the push? I don't like how our entry on TPT is at 200s. Getting some nice scalps on the personal though, so that's really good. We got a scalp right there, and we just got another one right here. I mean, I think I'm gonna hold this one we just added actually. I mean, if this goes off the cliff, we're looking at it. Banger day on the personal. I mean, if this goes for the double bottom, we're at 6,000 profit right now. We'd be at like what, 15,000, some shit like that maybe. Good news is if this thing breaks, should see a nice drop. Skeet potentially. We want it. We're ready for it. We're in 4 fucking lots. Ready for this cliff. Ooh, there's that 200 break. Can we get the push? We still have our TP set on our personal. Yeah, we do at 83. Okay, so a little above our other TPs. Let's see if she can push it. Fucking send it! Send it! Send it! Hit our first TP and then just fucking still steamroll off the cliff. Oh, banger, baby. Oh, come on, that was 83. What is it, 1 tick from our stop? 2 ticks? I mean, from our TP? Some bullshit. Yeah, it hit 83 on fucking trader baits. No bounce, just big bush. Big bush, first TP about to get hit. Let's go! Gee, that's 1 lot. That's the one that we added earlier. Going for the W. How far can we cliff it? How low can she go? We're getting our cliff, boys. We're approaching our $10,000 day on the personal account. We just need 1 more big old cliff. There's that 80s though. It's kind of like our reversal support zone. Let's see if we just blast through it. We can just cook right on through it. Look for a big day on TPT. See if we can get like halfway to the pro pass in 2 days and just flip for 4 days. That'd be fucking beautiful. Oh, big push, big push. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get 1 more TP set right over here. Oh my god, this is a fucking Mongo cliff. Go. Let's go like right there. That TP. Oh baby, give me that cliff. Give me that cliff. Skeet, 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 baby. Nice. We hit our TP there. We're $1,000 away from 10 G's on the day, boys. We're so close. I'm gonna put a stop super close on TPT though. Let's see if we get the banger sweep of this level. We just hit the 23% retracement on the Fibonacci. Looking to keep pushing. TPT might be out. We gotta make sure we hit that fucking exit at market and cancel all so we don't get fucking filled on accident again. Oh, I stopped filled on TPT. Rip. Okay, we'll take the W there. Do we take the 9G day or is this gonna keep pushing? I want to see if it's gonna keep pushing. Second TP, or one of our last TPs, is 152, and then our very last one will have no TP. We'll just hold it for fucking 0 on NQ. I really do think it needs to sweep 100, so we'll probably hold that one lot for hundreds. Debating if we want to take our second one off just in case. We could just go stop at break even and hold one or whatever. I mean, probably just AFK with a stop loss and just see where it ends on the day. It's not looking amazing, bouncing off that 23% on the fib, but we did get a nice little clip, so we are a little bit bearish. Don't see why we can't go for the lower day. Yeah, this is where we got the big lick bounce. We could try adding in here for a little scalp. Yeah, let's go for it. And we'll just TP that one, like right here. Oh, I forgot about funded next. I don't really even want to trade props. I want to get 10 G's on the day on this personal account. We're at 8,500. I want this to push it off the cliff. But first, I want our little scalp here. We just added one more lot at 190, basically the top of this candle. Can we get our little 20-pointer scalp in, or is this gonna start crawling back up? Give me my little scalp. Like I'm pretty sure we're going to low a day, but I just want to make sure this third lot that we just entered right here gets this little scalp, so that our entry goes back up to there. Put a stop at break even. We just go fuck off and watch TV and chill and kill. This is a huge volume zone, so the fact that we rejected off of there tells me the fucking downtrend has a very, very good chance of continuing. It also tells me that I should probably just full port this bitch right now, but we won't do it because we lost 37 funded accounts yesterday. And if we lose all of our profit today, then that would just break my fucking little heart. So we won't risk it for the biscuit. We'll stick with our 3 lots in a dream of a cliff and a $10,000 day on the personal accounts. Oh, there's that TP scalp. Let's go. Boys, we're $500 away from $10,000 on the day. Can we cook it right off the cliff and give us that 10 G's? And let's see what our runner will give us too. Or do we just take the 10 G's and call it? I kind of want to just hold a runner forever to be low key. I'm sure 15 cons. Yeah. And this looks similar too, and then fucking mega clips. Oh yeah, whatever. Let's just see what happens. The downtrend is holding, so we got that going for us. Anybody know what's happening to NASDAQ and S&P 500? Just a pullback, market correction, right? We blasted to all-time highs. Nobody wants to buy at all-time highs, so people are just selling. I mean, they're saying the news before the drop, or the news during the drop, was that investors are wavering over trade and tariff deals. But it's really just mass profit taking / we're at all-time highs, so people are scared to buy. Do we want to add on the trend line for the low a day is the question. We got our scalp in, so we're good there. Was this the stop loss hunts to start grinding back up? Let's see what happens at 200s. Here's our trend line. I'm gonna try adding one more here in a second. See what happens at 200s. There's a 200 tap. Let's add one more. Let's see if we can shove this off again. Go for another scalp on this one we just bought. We'll try to hold these 2 runners for low a day. If this breaks back above 200s, I think we're just gonna call it a day though. And we're up $8,000. This is a great day on the personal account. Very good day. I think like 215-ish will be our stop loss. So we'll probably end with like a little bit less than 8K if this does keep running. But I'm still happy with it. And if it does run, fuck, we're cooking. We're in our high volume zone right now, rejecting off the top of it. We could keep going, but I'm really tempted to take that one, the one that we just added at 200 for 10-point scalp. I mean, let's go for the bag. Let's go for the banger. Let's see if we can get that push. Now we're sitting inside the middle of this fucking giant super high volume zone. Yeah, break over 200s, and I think our downtrend is kiboshed. Right now it still doesn't look too bad, but it's getting there. Could just not risk it for the biscuit here. But I think I'd be more devastated if this did go to hundreds than if I just stopped out for a little loss. So yeah, we'll hold. Yeah, it's not looking too great. Still holding the 200. Will the bulls give up and let us send it off the cliff or what? Could this have been the fake out before the breakout to the fucking lows? Little top of the hour manipulation, perhaps? Or will it be the slow grind up to 333 like Futures Forever says? All the way up here, Jesus. This is either getting ready to go straight off the fucking cliff, like straight down to fucking 23,100, or we're just gonna range forever. It doesn't seem like we're actually gonna fucking completely mega moon here. Too many sellers, but sitting in this range right here is very possible, but so is this fucking mega cliff. Jesus. 8K in profits. When was your first entry? Oh, we knife caught over here with longs. We sold like somewhere over here. We got stopped out by this candle, I think. And then we shorted somewhere. Where? I forget where. We're looking for a 10K day, but we kind of need this cliff to happen. And it's like it's 200 level is just a straight up fucking magnet. I'm still looking semi-bull bearish, but we're in an all-time high market, so just obviously bullish market sentiments. Really trying to think if it's even possible for another massive sell-off. I mean, we did have one right here, but like a big old sell-off, and the only thing we would have is just mass profit taking, right? Nvidia doing. We have US tariff talks going on, maybe some bad news drops. They cook this shit off the cliff. Nvidia is trying to creep back on up. I'm down to take my 8 G's on the day. It'd be a lot cooler if we caught a cliff and made 10 G's. Deja vu of that $1 million trade. Yeah. When you so want to hit that mark. Yeah. Yeah. That fucked me. That fucked me out of $650,000 because I just wanted an extra 50K. I just wanted to hit $1 million in one trade in one day. I was at 950K, didn't take profit. I sold 300K of it, but then fucking yeah, I just wanted that extra 50K just for the cool points, you know what I mean? Just to have that $1 million day, and yeah, gave back $650,000. Not a good time. Not a good time at all. And Phoenix is getting deja vu about that right now in this trade, and I'm not feeling too crazy about this trade. Maybe we do just bail on it. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it would suck if we miss out on the cliff, but we had a good day. I'm happy. Yeah, we had $7,977. Great. Oh, look, nice. Fuck you, pump. I'll just take it. Even if you forget about it, I won't let you ever. Yeah, dude. I mean, if I would have closed out that trade for 950K, right? We also made 150K that month from futures trading. We would have had a $1.1 million month, the first month of 2025. But because I butchered that, I'm glad we just exited right there. That was fucking great, Phoenix. This might actually rip up to the top of this range again. Yeah, like 228, 222 was previous all-time highs. This could be resistance. I mean, we could join Futures Forever play. He thinks it's going to 333 just for like a runner, but I think I'm just done for the day. We'll take our 8 G's on the personal account, some eval money. Totally forgot about Funded Next, which kind of sucks, but oh well. I got a phone call coming, boys. Love you guys. Stay beautiful, Mafia. Till tomorrow. Peace out.